Today we are going to work on Lesson 9. We will use the place value chart and metric measurement to compare decimals and answer comparison questions. Let's get started. Look at number 1 on the problem set. It says, express the lengths of the shaded parts in decimal form. Write a sentence that compares the two lengths. Use the expression shorter than or longer than in your sentence. Look at letter A. What decimal is represented in the first picture? There are 10 sections altogether and only 3 of them are shaded. That means 3/10 are shaded. So the decimal is going to be 0, decimal point, 3. The second picture has 2/10 shaded in. The third part is divided into hundredths. There are 7 hundredths shaded. So the decimal is 0, decimal point, 27. Let's write a comparison sentence. I see that the first picture has more shaded in. So the sentence is going to read 3/10 is longer than 27 hundredths. Look at letter B. What decimal is represented in the first picture? What decimal is represented in the second picture? Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. The first picture represents 35 hundredths. The second picture represents 4/10. Let's write a comparison sentence. Which is longer? Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. The second picture is longer, so my sentence is going to read 4/10 is longer than 35 hundredths. Look at letter C. It says to write the 4 lengths from least to greatest. We need to start with the shortest picture. So that would be 27 hundredths. Then we would have 3/10. Then we would have 35 hundredths. And finally, 4/10. Let's turn the page and look at number 3. It says to record the volume of water in each graduated cylinder on the place value chart below. If we take a look at cylinder A, it has 6/10. If we take a look at cylinder B, it has 3/10. Cylinder C has 9/10. Cylinder D has 97 hundredths. Cylinder E has 19 hundredths, and cylinder F has 48 hundredths. Now let's look at A through C. It says to compare the values using greater than, less than, or equal to. Remember, to compare, we are going to start at the greatest place value, which in this case would be the ones. Since all the values are the same, we would need to compare the tenths. Go ahead and complete letters A through C. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So 9/10 is greater than 6/10. For letter B, 48 hundredths is less than 6/10. For letter C, 3/10 is more than 19 hundredths. Look at letter D. It says to write the volume of water in each graduated cylinder in order from least to greatest. Go ahead and make your list. Pause the video and replay when you are ready to check. So our list is going to be 19 hundredths. Then we would have 3/10. Then we would have 48 hundredths. Then we would have 6/10. Then we would have 9/10. And finally, we would have 97 hundredths. Your assignment is to work on number 1 and number 3 on the homework sheet. Check your work when you are done. Make corrections if you need to. Your packet can go in your Shark folder. Make sure to grab an exit ticket. Put your name on it and turn it into the tray when you are done. Then you can work on the rest of the must-dos and can-dos. Great job today. I'll see you for lesson 10.